Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm on the road again. It is Monday. It's a Monday here. We are after Thanksgiving now, and we are entering the last week of the first split here in Louisiana for both zones that we have here in Louisiana. So Sunday is going to round out the first split of the season, and it's hard to believe we're already at that point, but it goes pretty quickly. You guys know that. So it's 3:30 a.m. in the morning. I'm on the road and I'm out to meet one of my buddies, and we are headed back to the Marshes this morning, guys. And we've been making a Monday trip the last couple of weeks since the season opened down to this specific spot. We kind of hunt it on a Monday and then we leave it alone pretty much the rest of the week for the most part. But we're gonna head down to that spot, and hopefully I think we're gonna have a good day today. I just got that feeling this morning. I'm kind of jacked up. I hit a little spurt this week, I'll be honest with you, where I was going pretty hard at it since it opened, and been kind of tired. You know, the last couple of days been tired. But this morning I'm rejuvenated. I feel good. We have a cold front that came through. We're sitting here at 42 degrees this morning. It's showing here in the truck. And we're expecting some more cold weather here in Louisiana this week. It's going to drop down into the 30s. So I'm kind of fired up, even though I got to go back to work tomorrow. I will get one more hunt in the first split probably on Sunday. So I'll be able to close out the first split with a hunt, I'm hoping. But today is what we're focused on. We're going to go out. I have a feeling. I have a good feeling, guys. It's one of those mornings you just feel good. You alert, you awake, got the music pumping in the truck on the way there, got some good jams going on. I'm feeling it. So hopefully you guys will get to see some of the action that we got today, and I'm hoping that this front brought in some new birds this morning. So I'm excited. So stay tuned, guys. We'll take you down to the Marshes with us, see what comes in this morning, and we'll hopefully have a hell of a good day today. So y'all stay tuned. Hold on, Charlie, let me get on one. Four? I think we got four. Oh, we got five. The other two lit to the right of him.
Yeah, it was too far for me to. The only thing that could have happened, that motherfucker's got a band.
Keep your shit up, you. There's birds, guys, loaded up in these little ponds right here we see them. Hundreds of them getting up off of here. That's something we're gonna definitely have to check out. They in there today. They haven't been in there the last couple of trips we made, but they in there today for sure. All right, guys, so we are done. We have wrapped it up today. We had a good hunt, man. I told y'all, I said I had a feeling today was gonna be really good. With this front that came through, the wind is pumping this morning. You guys probably hear it right here on the camera, but and I apologize for that, but this wind, I'll turn it around, show you guys. We got a 20-mile-an-hour wind blowing out straight out the north today, and it really made a difference with new birds moving into the area. So what a hunt, man. We wrapped everything up right around 7:24. We had our two-man limit, me and Charlie. Still a lot of birds flying. We can see birds right now as we film and flying. So what a phenomenal hunt. We got a good bag, a mixed bag of grays and teal. So we've been killing quite a bit of grays in this area over the last couple of weeks. Today we had some teal come through, some green wings, and we mixed those in on the strap today, so that's nice to get a little mixture today. But what a fun hunt. What an absolute awesome hunt. And that's a good way to round out the last week of the the first split here in Louisiana. So we're gonna get the boat, we're gonna get things picked up, get the decoys picked up, and then we'll get you guys a shot of the final strap that we ended up with today, guys.